So these are some important attributes of OOPs, and this is what we have to learn in our whole training. Objects like these, classes in which you have the data and the operations of the data working together. How to design classes. Data abstraction. Abstract, the dictionary meaning of the word abstract is show some, hide some. So data is hidden from the rest of the world. It could be accessed only through functions you saw in the design. Then encapsulation. Encapsulation is bringing together data and the operations of the data. Inheritance is for portability. Inheritance is where you add more functionality. Polymorphism is more. Poly means many. Morph means form. So having many forms of anything that you have is called polymorphism. Then you have dynamic binding, where function call will mature into function definition and the function definition code will execute. So the maturing and linking these things, the call to the function, all these things will be deferred till runtime. So this is dynamic binding. And there are some more examples also for dynamic binding which I'll give you at the right time. Then message passing is how the objects will communicate with each other. So this is what we have to learn in our whole training program here. Okay. In OOPs. Okay. Now, without any fuss, leaving these all theory things behind, I will first jump to our very first program in C++. See, there are so many programs already. We have examples written here, but I will not go into that. So I will instead write our own programs so that you learn it properly. I want you to be the best. So to be the best in this, we have to have a very different approach. And that will be writing our own program from scratch and not leaving any stone unturned. You people also, whenever you have any doubts in your mind, be very frank to ask me. Don't hesitate. I'm here for you only, and I have to ensure that you are at your best. Okay? We will write a simple C++ program to add distances. You have done this program to add distances, feet and inches in C. Same program we'll pick up today. So very first thing about C, just like C, in C++ also you have headers.h. Well, you don't have headers in C++ because in C everything was header file. Everything was declared in header files, and the functions were in the libraries. Everything was declared in header files. So we included header files. But in C++, everything is class. Okay, so we'll name it includes.h, whatever things are going to include. We are going to include a class called hash include IO stream. So there is a class called IO stream in which some basic functionalities like input data from standard input stream, send the data output using standard output stream, the error stream, how to use those streams, these things are declared in IO stream. Okay, just like stdio. So I have included IO stream. This IO stream also declares doing IO, any IO going out from process context to anywhere is declared in IO stream. That anywhere could be in some file, display devices, or working with files, all these things could be anything basically. Yes, Gaurav.
So can we also call it extreme rotation?
Sorry, your voice is echoing. Please repeat that.
Say it fine now.
No. And this echo is because, let me tell you why you have echo. Because you are using a different device for audio and video. That is why you have echo. So you have to use a one single device for keeping your audio and video in sync. Sorry. It is because you're using different devices for microphone and earpiece.